Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed exercise 16.1. In that exercise, total we discussed about the sample space. And next concept, in today class we'll continue the next concept, that is event. What is the event? Types of events, algebra of events. Based upon this one, we'll continue the exercise 16.2 total. Here probability chapter, but we didn't started probability still also. In third exercise, we'll discuss about the probability. First exercise total, sample space. Second exercise total based upon event. If you know proper set concept, events is very easy. So here, first of all, main definition, that is, what is event? Event is the subset of a sample space. Event is subset of sample space. Sample space, capital S. So now, subset, any subset if you take of a sample space, that is called a event. For example, I am taking one sample space, tossing a coin twice. Two heads, one head tail, one tail, one head, two tails. This is a sample space of tossing a coin two times. So one event I am taking, A be the event. A be the event. Event is nothing but by condition we'll write the event here. A be the event. Two heads, getting two heads. Two heads. And B be the event. B be the event. One tail. Only one tail. So we have to write that one. A is equal to two heads means we have to get H comma H. And B be the event, one tail. One tail means head tail, tail head. So A and B. A is the subset of capital S. B also is the subset of capital S. So A and B are called events. Event is nothing but subset of a sample space. And now, types of event. Here we discussed four types. One is impossible event. Impossible event. Empty set is there. Every set having two subsets, that is empty set and itself. So empty event, empty set is called a impossible event. Empty event, empty set, simply empty set is called a impossible event. Next, sure event. Sure event means total sample space. Total sample space if you are taking every set having minimum two subset, that is empty and itself. So empty if you are taking, that is impossible event. Sure event means total set. Total sample space is called a sure event. Next, number 3, simple event. Simple event. A event consists only one simple point. Only one sample point. Only one element otherwise. One sample point. One sample point. A event consists only one sample point, that is called a simple event. For example, you can take here A is the simple event. Why? Because event A having only one sample point, only one element. Next, fourth one is compound event. Fourth one is compound event. Compound event means more than one sample points. More than one sample points. More than one sample points is there, that is called a compound events. Based upon numbers, based upon number of elements, based upon number of sample points, we are discussing about the types of events. Next concept, algebra of events. So algebra is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But in set theory already we discussed intersection, union, complement. So that only we have to learn here also. Once again recall this total concept. Complementary event. Complementary event. For example, A be the event, A be the event, then A dash is called complementary event of capital A. Complementary event means A dash. A dash how will find means total sample space minus capital A. Universal set minus A. A dash will write here sample space minus capital A. And not A also same. Not A is nothing but complementary event. A dash is nothing but complementary event, finding by sample space minus event. Sample space set minus A set we have to remove. Next, event A or B. Event A or B already we discussed in set theory. A or B means A union B. A union B. Element, I am taking one element such that element belongs to A or element belongs to B, we have to write. So that is called A or B. R means union. And event A and B. A intersection B. Intersection is nothing but and. How will write? Element belongs to A and element belongs to B. Next, event A but not B. Event A but not B. That is nothing but A minus B. Element A, element belongs to A but not in B, or we will denote it with A intersection B dash also. A and not belongs to B. Complementary event means not A, here not B. So based upon this one, these all we learn in set theory, just intersection part, union part and complementary part we have to find here also. Same exercise problems we have to use these all concepts to solve the problems. Next, more two definitions is there, and these are important for the exercise. Mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. In this word only there the definition exclusive. Exclusive means there is no common. There is no common. So for example, A be the event, B be the events are said to be mutually exclusive. If you take the intersection part, that is empty. The two events are disjoint. Other words also we can use for the definition. If the two events are disjoint events, then the events is called a mutually exclusive events. Exclusive means simply intersection part is empty, we have to get. Next, mutually exhaustive events. Exhaustive events means subsets of a sample space. If you take the all subsets of a sample space, union of subsets or union of events, if you are taking, you have to get sample space, total sample space. If you are getting union of events, each and every event union if you are making, if you get the sample space, that type of events is called mutually exhaustive events. Very simple. Exclusive means intersection part should be empty. Exhaustive means union. If you are taking total union of events, you will get the sample space equal to the sample space. That type of events is called exhaustive events. If both is there, if both conditions satisfied, that events is called mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive events. So based upon that one, these total concepts, we'll see the problems. I won't explain the example problems. Example problems directly in textbook you can see, and similar problems is in exercise 16.2. I'll continue the exercise 16.2. Next, exercise 16.2, problem number 1. A die is rolled. A die is rolled. Let E be the event. E be the event. Die shows 4. Die shows 4. First of all, I'll write the sample space for this experiment. Rolling a die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the sample space. Next, E be the event. E be the event. Die shows 4. How many options is there? Die shows 4. Only one element in E. And F be the event. F be the event shows even number. F be the event shows even number. In this, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6 are the even numbers. So next question is, are E and F are mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive or not? Exclusive means what? Intersection part should be empty. Here I'll find first E intersection F. What is the E intersection F? E intersection F is element 4. So it is not equal to pi. If it is equal to pi, mutually exclusive. Therefore, E and F are not mutually exclusive. Not mutually exclusive. Next, problem number 2. A die is thrown. So same sample space. First, I'll write the sample space for the experiment. Sample space capital S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a sample space of the experiment. Describe the following events. They are giving events here. Questions you can see. A element set A E B, number less than 7. Number less than 7 be the event. Number less than 7 means what we can write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All elements we can get. Next, B be the event. B be the event. Number greater than 7. Number greater than 7. Number greater than 7, what is there? Empty, or pi also we can write. Next, number 3, in this only number 3, C be the event. C be the event. Multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3? 3 and 6. Only 2 elements. Next, number 4, D be the event. D be the event. A number less than 4. Number less than 4. Less than 4, what numbers is there? 1, 2, 3. Next, E be the event. Fifth one, E be the event. An even number greater than 4. Even number greater than 4. Only 6. Next, number 6 question in this only. A number not less than 3. Not less than 3. That means more than 3. Not less than 3. 3, 4, 6. It is not less than. It is equal. 4. And one more also we have to write here. 5 also. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the events. Describe the following events they are asking. So already events finding did. Next, what is asking? Also find the A union B. First one, A union B. A union B means what we can write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union empty. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union means this values. Just in set concept how we did, same method, but extra thing what is there? We have to write the sets here. Events we have to write first. Next, A intersection B. A intersection B means what is the common part between A and B? A and B common part is empty. Next, B intersection C. B intersection, sorry, B union C. Next question is B union C. B is empty. Union C is 3, 6. So answer is 3, 6 you will get. Next, E intersection F. E intersection F, D intersection E. Next, A minus C, A minus C, D minus E. So these two you can write, these two take as a homework. And A minus C, A minus C means what we have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 3, 6. We have to remove 3 and 6. We have to remove 3 and 6, the remaining elements in set A. 1, 2, 4, 5. So what is the answer of D minus E? We have to do that one. D minus E. Take as a homework. Next, E intersection F dash. E intersection F dash, and final one F dash we have to find. So first I'll find F dash. F dash is nothing but sample space minus F. What is the sample space here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus F. What is the F? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Subtract. So 1, 2 is the F dash. So now I'll substitute here E. E is element 6. Intersection 1, 2. So what is the answer? Empty. So these all this type problems lot of we discussed in set concept. So very simple to do this one, and these problems you take as a homework. Next, problem number 3. An experiment involves rolling a pair of dice and recording the number of that come up. Describe the following events. So rolling a pair of dice here, 2 dice we are throwing. We know 6 into 6, 36 outcomes you will get. So that already I wrote here sample space, total 36 elements I wrote. Next, events we have to take here. What is the condition for A? The sum is greater than 8. So sum is greater than 8 we have to take here. From this one, sum is greater than 8, more than 8. You can observe with 1 any possibility there. 1 plus 6, highest value 1 plus 6 is 7. So not more than. Next, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. What is the question? Greater than 8. Greater than 8 means where we will get 3, 6 we can get. 3, 6. Next, 4, 5. 4, 6. 5, 4. 5, 5. 5, 6. Next, 6, 3. 6, 4. 6, 5 and 6, 6. So you can check sum of the two numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9, more than 8. More than 8, what is there? If you take two numbers addition, we have to get more than 8. Next, B be the event. Next, B be the event. What is a B event here? B event is 2 occurs on either die. 2 occurs, that means 2 getting at least 1 die, that we have to take. So you can see with 1 here 2 is there. So 1, 2. Next option 2, 1, 2, 2. With 2 elements all we can write 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. Next, 3, 2 we can write 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2. So more any options is there? There is no option. So at least once 2 getting also we have to write here. That is a B event. Next, C be the event. C be the event. Sum is at least 7. Sum is minimum 7. and multiple of 3 also, 2 condition it will satisfy. So minimum 7, more than 7 also you can get, minimum 7 means multiple of 3 also. So what possibilities is there, we have to check here. Up to 2, 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, not a multiple of 3. Next 3 plus 5 also, 3 plus 5 also 8, it is not a multiple of 3. 3 plus 6, 3 plus 6 is a 9, so 3 comma 6 is the first element. Next 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 is 9, multiple of 3. Next one what we can write, 5 comma 4 we can write, 5 comma 4 also addition if you are making 9 you will get. 5 comma 5 10, not possible. 6 not possible. Next 6 plus 5 11, it is not multiple of 3. Next here 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, it is a multiple of 3. Next 12, any possibility there, here 12 possibilities there, 6 comma 6. So this is the event C. After completion of writing, which pair of these events are mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive is nothing but you can see here A intersection B. What is A intersection B? There any common part? There is no common element, empty. Next A intersection C. A intersection C. You can observe A intersection C means 3 comma 6 element is there. Next 4 comma 5 is there. 5 comma 4, 5 comma 4, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 6. All elements is there. A intersection B is not equal to empty. Next B intersection CLC. B intersection C. Any common part is there in these two? There is no common part. So now what are the exclusive events? A and B, B and C are mutually exclusive events. Which pairs are exclusive events? A and B and C are mutually exclusive events. So this is the way of finding the exclusive or not. Intersection part empty if you are getting exclusive events, otherwise it is not a exclusive events. Next problem number 4. 3 coins are tossed once. 3 coins tossed once. I wrote here sample space for that one. So 3 coins tossed, 3 heads you can get, 2 heads, 1 tail. So these are the 8 outcomes you will get. This is a sample space of tossing a coin 3 times or 3 coins tossed once, both same one. Next, let A denote the event 3 heads shows. A means what? 3 heads shows event. So 3 heads shows event, only one possibility. Next, B be the event denotes the 2 heads and 1 tail. 2 heads, 1 tail. You can observe here 2 heads, 1 tail. What possibilities is there? That all possibilities we have to write. So this is 2 heads, 1 tail possibility. There is no particular order. You can get first time 2 heads, next tail, otherwise first tail, next head, next head also. So that type. Next, C be the event denotes the 3 tails. 3 tails. 3 tails, what was possibilities is there in this one? Only one possibility. Next, D be the event. D be the event denotes a head shows on first coin. Head shows on first coin. So first coin head, what possibilities is there? Remaining 2, no need to think about remaining 2. Only first one is head. So we can write H T, next H T. So these are the possibilities for first one is first coin is head. Next question is which events are these 4 events, which pairs are mutually exclusive, which are simple events, which are compound events is asking. So question number 1 purpose, I'll make here A intersection B. A intersection B is empty. Next I'll find A intersection C, empty. A intersection D is H, that is not equal to pi, not equal to pi. Next I'll check about B. B intersection C. B intersection C is empty. B intersection D is H, T, only one element. Next B intersection D completed. C intersection D I'll find. C intersection D. C intersection D also empty. This is not equal to empty. So which are mutually exclusive here? AB pair A comma B 1, A comma C. Next B comma C, C comma D are mutually exclusive events. Two pairs are mutually exclusive events. These two are not mutually exclusive events. Why? Because elements is there. Empty getting means intersection part is empty, then the events are mutually exclusive. Next, simple events. Simple event means event consists only one sample point. Only one sample point. Here you can observe A and C are simple events. Simple means only one element will be there. Next, third one, compound events. What are the compound events? More than, first of all definition, more than one event is there. More than one event is there. That events is called compound events. You can observe B and D, more than one element is there. So this is the way of finding the answer. Next, problem number 5. 3 coins are tossed. 3 coins are tossed. Sample space I wrote 3 coins tossed. Next, describe, question number 1, 2 events which are mutually exclusive. You have to write here events and which are mutually exclusive. So first one, we have to take up to now, up to 4th problem, what we did means question they given, condition also given, just we have to write the set and we check that exclusive or not. But here condition giving, we have to write the events. So I am taking here, let A be the event, A be the event getting 3 heads, B be the event getting 3 tails, 3 tails. So you can see A be the event, 3 heads getting, so 3 heads, B be the event, 3 tails getting. Next, A intersection B is empty. So A and B are mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Next, in this only, number 2, 3 events which are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, we have to write 3 events. So I am taking here, let A be the event, let A be the event getting no head, getting no heads. That is nothing but no heads means 3 tails we can write. Next, B be the event, B be the event getting exactly 1 head, exactly 1 head. So exactly 1 head means what we can write? Exactly 1 head, head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head also we can write. Next, C be the event, 3 events we have to write. C be the event getting at least at least two heads, at least two heads. C is equal to, at least two heads means H H T H T H T H H, or three heads. At least two means three also possibility. And here these examples you can write in your own way. Compulsory these examples only, no need to write. So next you can see here, A intersection B is empty, B intersection C is also empty, A intersection C also empty. So exclusive events A, B, C are exclusive events. Union I'll find A union B union C. You can see A union B union C. If you are making A, B, C, all unions if you are writing, you will get the sample space or not? Sample space you will get. So mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive. Union is equal to sample space. So mutually exhaustive events. Next, number 3, two events which are not mutually exclusive, not mutually exclusive. For that purpose, let capital A getting three heads, one event. So three heads means H H triple H. Next, B be the event, at least two heads getting, at least two heads getting means what we can write? B be the event, head head tail, head tail head, tail head head, and head head head. At least two means more than two also possibility. So intersection part if you take, A intersection B is H H H, so not equal to empty. So A and B are not exclusive events. Next, fourth one, two events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. That means intersection part should be empty. Union if you are making won't get the sample space. That type event we have to write here. So question 4, let A be the event exactly getting exactly one head. Next, B be the event exactly one tail I am taking. So A points what will get? Exactly one head. So T T T H T tail head. B be the event exactly one tail, head head tail, head tail head, tail head head. So intersection part if we are taking empty. So mutually exclusive. Next, A union B if we are taking, A union B if we are taking won't get the sample space. Why? Because head not there, tail not there. So not equal to sample space. So it is not mutually exhaustive. Not mutually exhaustive. So exclusive but not exhaustive. Next, fifth one, three events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. Exclusive but not exhaustive type we have to write the events. A be the event, three heads getting three heads. So event three heads getting. Next, B be the event, exactly one tail, So what we can write? B be the event exactly one tail, T H H. Next, C be the event exactly one head, C be the event exactly one head. What we can write? T H T T T H. So three events completed. Intersection parts you take. A intersection B is empty, B intersection C is also empty, A intersection C also empty. So mutually exclusive. A, B, C are mutually exclusive. Union part you take. A union B union C does not equal to sample space. Why? Because 3 tails not there. So it is not equal to sample space. So it is not exhaustive. 3 events exclusive but not exhaustive. So we have to give your own examples also. Next, problem number 6. Question is, 2 dice are thrown. 2 dice are thrown. That means sample space 6 into 6, 36 elements you will get. I wrote here already the sample space, total sample space. And the events A, B, C are as follow. So A be the event getting even number on the first die, even number on first time, second time any number. So already I wrote that events also. A be the event, first time 2, second time any number. So first time 2 you can get, first time 4, first time 6. Why? Because these are the 3 even numbers in a throwing a die. Next, B be the event getting a odd number first. So odd numbers means what? 1, 3, 5. Rolling a die, 6 elements is there, in that 3 are odd numbers. So 3 odd numbers first, remaining second time no need to think about the second time. So B event is this one. Already I wrote here. Next, C be the event getting the sum of the numbers on the die is less than or equal to 5. In this sample space, sum should be less than or equal to, sum of the 2 numbers less than or equal to 5. You can check 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 5 if you are taking, more than 5 you will get. So I wrote already here 1, 4 up to 1, 4. Next, 2, 1. 2, 1 is 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. Up to 2 plus 2, 3 we can write. Next, 3, 1, 3, 2. Next, 4, 1. Other than that, we can't write any extra elements. Why? Because if you are take another elements means compulsory more than 5 you will get. So next, after this writing, describe the events. Is asking describe the events. First one is A dash. A dash is nothing but not A. Not A means sample space minus A. Sample space means this total sample space, subtract this A, starting with even number. So 2 starting, 4 starting and 6 starting you have to remove. So the remaining answer is 1, 1, 1, 2 and up to 1, 6. Next, 3, 1, 3, 2 up to 3, 6. Next one, 5, 1, 5, 2 and so on, 5, 6. So this is the A dash, not A. Next, number 2, not B. Not B is nothing but B dash. B dash is nothing but sample space minus B. So sample space minus B, total sample space minus starting with odd numbers we have to remove. So remaining what will be there? Starting with even numbers will be remains. 2, 2 and so on, 2, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2 and so on, 4, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2 and so on, 6, 6. So this is a not B. Next one, A union B. Third one is A or B. A or B is nothing but A union B. You observe here, start with even numbers, start with odd numbers. Combination if you are taking, total odd numbers you will get and even numbers. That is nothing but total sample space you will get. So answer is sample space. These 2 are mutually exhaustive events also. Next, number 4, A and B. A and B is nothing but A intersection B. You can observe A is the start with even numbers, B be the start with odd numbers. So intersection part, how much will be there? Odd number, even number, empty. So answer is empty set. So A and B are mutually exclusive also we can tell. Next, fifth one, this only fifth one, A but not C. A but not C means we can write this one A minus C. From A we have to remove the C elements. So what are the A and C common elements? 1 1 not there, 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 we have to remove. So after 2 1 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 what will be the remains? 2 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 6. 3 elements not there. Next 4 comma 1 also we have to remove. Here also 4 comma 1 is there, here also 4 comma 1 remove. Remaining 4 comma 2 4 comma 3 4 comma 4 4 comma 5 4 comma 6 6 comma 1 6 comma 2 6 comma 3 6 comma 4 6 5 6 6. So this is A but not C. Next one, next sixth one, B or C. B union C. B elements, C elements combination we have to write. So already I wrote A union B. So you can take this as a homework. Next, number 7. In this only, number 7, B and C. B and C. B and C means B intersection C. What is the common elements is there? That common elements we have to write here. So this also take as a homework. Next, problem number 8. Problem number 8, last one. A intersection B dash intersection C dash. Already A is there. Already B dash. B dash is nothing but second one. In this only we find it already B dash. Next C dash. First you have to find the C dash. C dash means S minus C. Already A dash B dash we find it. Similar way C dash. C dash I will find sample space minus C. So you have to find this one also. After finding this one, A elements intersection, B dash elements, that means second problem elements intersection, here C dash elements. So we have to find this also. So these 3 problems you can take as a homework, and I displayed here seventh problem. Refer to the question 6. Same question reference we have to take, which are mutually exclusive, which are mutually exhaustive. A equal to B dash we have to show. So all questions is there, around 6 questions is there, very simple questions that all. So that also you can take as a homework. So by this problem we completed the exercise 16.2, and by this problem we completed today class. And in next class, main concept of probability, exercise 16.3 will continue in next class. Thank you.